Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Blink subscription for smart notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Blink subscription website. Locate the sign up or register button on the home page. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you will frequently check. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it meets any specified security requirements. After entering your password, look for a confirmation checkbox. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Once you've filled out the required information, click the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Blink. Open the email and find the confirmation link provided. Click the link to verify your email address. You may be redirected to the Blink dashboard. If prompted, log in using your email address and the password you just created. Now, navigate to the subscription section on the dashboard. Look for options related to smart notifications. Choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Make sure all details are accurate before submitting. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. You can now enable smart notifications in the app settings. Open the Blink app on your device. Go to the Settings menu to adjust your notification preferences. You're all set to receive smart notifications from Blink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.